At Live Data Technologies, we understand that technology should assist with the growth of your restaurant. We understand that for a restaurant to justify the expense associated with developing and running an app, restaurants must be able to see tangible financial benefits. With this in mind, Live Data Technologies gives you real-life examples of how a strategically utilized app can have a massive impact on the profitability of your restaurant. The following facts will give you an indication of how dramatic the smartphone take-up has been. There are more than 1 billion smartphones now in use around the globe, and for the first time in 2012, more silicon chips were manufactured for mobile devices than for personal computers. It's predicted that mobile apps will grow from a $6 billion industry today to a $55.7 billion industry by 2015. One half of internet searches are done via a mobile device, and 71% of smartphone users that see TV, press or online ads do a mobile search for more information. Welcome to the post-PC era, where instant mobile access to information, resources and social networks is critical for the growth of any organisation.
How can your business's profitability increase dramatically by utilising an effective app? Have a look at these stats. A new report from CompuWare suggests that consumer preference is strongly in favour of apps, 85% ahead of mobile sites. The most common reason for this is apps seem to be more convenient, 55%, faster, 48%, and easier to browse, 40%. And did you know that it costs 6 to 7 times more to sell something to a prospect than to sell that same thing to a customer? And that repeat customers spend 33% more than new customers because they have a higher level of trust in your business. Referrals among repeat customers are a staggering 107% greater than non-customers. So how can the Live Data Technologies app help with improving and retaining your customer relationships and thereby increase the profitability of your business? The following are just a few ways our app can benefit your business.
1. Push notifications. Live real-time communication using push notifications means that you do not have to wait until your customers have the time to check their emails or social media accounts for you to communicate with your customers. Their mobile devices will receive your written, audio or video communication instantly. In this age of savvy customers, an impersonal, generic SMS campaign will not generate as much motivation to take action as a push notification received through your customer's app. Imagine being able to promote your product or special event via push notifications to support posters and flyers. Emails may not be read by your customers, and SMS campaigns can be costly, time-consuming, as well as generic and non-engaging. Through push notifications, you're able to promote last-minute specials. You can also activate campaigns months in advance. You're able to attach a personalized incentive with every push notification to motivate your customers to spend more time in your restaurant, thereby increasing revenue. 2. Links to social media. Your app, along with the push notifications or alerts you send, can be directly linked to your website or Facebook and other social media, allowing you to gain instant attention from your customers and promote any event, specials or offers, creating excitement for your restaurant. This feature allows you to update all your social media accounts at once, thereby sending a congruent message to your customers and saving you valuable time. 3. Geofencing. You're able to alert users to events, special promotions or sales when they are in the vicinity of your restaurant. Your customers will see a sale offer on their lock screens as they cross the threshold of your restaurant. For example, in their cars, driving home from work or walking near your premises. Geofencing means setting up a virtual perimeter. When your customers carrying mobile phones cross that perimeter, the system becomes aware that they are physically nearby and can push information to their phones. Various distances from your location can be set by you, depending on your needs. 4. Loyalty cards. A loyalty card can be stored within the app and a customer's account updated wherever they are. You can even issue or deduct loyalty points that expire or are only available within a certain time, effectively presenting your customers with a call to action. Most importantly, all this can be done with a high level of automation. allowing you to action incredibly effective marketing campaigns at a fraction of the traditional costs. Here are just a few companies that have had dramatic results after implementing a company app. Domino's increased profits by 16% based on the release of their iPhone app and increased their sales by $2 million in the first 12 weeks. In October 2009, the Intercontinental Group went from $200,000 per month in web sales to $3 million per month in May 2010 after they released their iPhone-specific app. We're living in the midst of a technological and communications revolution. So it is not a question of whether or not your restaurant can afford an app, it is more the question of can your restaurant afford not to have an app? Contact Live Data Technologies to find out more about how an app can help increase the profitability of your restaurant.